People, it's your boy Chef Boy Easy. Today we're doing loaded baked potatoes. But we're gonna do something a little bit different. You heard me? We're gonna add lobster tails on it. It's gonna be fried, not grilled. I'm gonna show you how to do it. We're gonna cut it up almost like a shrimp. But as you see right here, I got the lobster tails. We got 5 of them. They ain't brothers, they ain't sisters. We just caught them all together. You heard me? Then over here, as you see, we got the black pepper. You heard me? We got the Tony Satchers. If you can't find nothing like Tony Satchers in your store, just go in there and say, hey, seen this dude Chef Boy Easy. We need something to make it spicy, and they gonna get you that. Then over here we got the parsley flakes. You heard me? You could do a fresh parsley, you could do it right there. We got the sour cream over here. That's for the baked potato. And over here we got the bacon bits. I mean, you could do real bacon, but real bacon for breakfast. You heard me? So we got the bacon bits. Then we got the cheese over here. And I mean, one of the most important ingredients on this one, of course, you see the fish fry. Gotta have a fish fry. You got 2 of them just because we got a lot going on. Got a little liquor over here, a little something totally different, you heard me? But of course, on this, I'm gonna have to say something. You're gonna need the biggest baked potato. You gotta have a big one. I mean, I'm gonna pray for mine. Lord, bless me with some big baked potatoes. I mean, I gotta have the good ones. I mean, some real good ones, you know what I'm saying? Oh, okay, I mean, that'll work. I mean, it's okay, football play. I mean, this is gonna work, you heard me? I mean, since I prayed for that, I mean, I might as well go ahead, Lord, bless your boy with a car or something, you know, hook your boy up with a car or something like that. Okay. I mean that'll work too. I guess next time I'm gonna say something a little bit bigger. I mean, yeah, we're gonna let that sit to the side. But we about to go ahead and get these appetizers good for y'all, and then keep it Gucci, baby. Microwave and hit potato, and it's basically like just cooking the inside of it to make it soft. I'm about to go ahead and show y'all how to season up the lobster real fast for the top of the loaded baked potato. So I'm about to go ahead, as you see, we got it cut right now. My daddy had cut that a little while ago. So first thing we're gonna do is I got my eggs. I'm gonna crack my eggs and put them in there. Make sure you ain't got no shells. I got the hands of the goddess when it comes to these eggs, you know what I'm saying? So I take me a little Tony Satchers, like I said, a little seasoning, and I just put it a little bit in there. But it just depends on how many you got. Then I got a little parsley flakes. I'm not gonna add that. I'm not too fond on it, but I mean you can add it just for the. It's more of the coloring on that. And then I'm gonna do a little baby milk. You heard me? So you just add a little milk in there. It really depends. You can look at it once you kind of stir it up and kind of know what you got going on. This is called an egg wash. This is basically the batter that's gonna go on the lobster. This kind of give it that brown look, or the crunchiness basically of it. It's like a coating. So as you see, I got my egg wash right there. I like to add a little bit more milk in there, make it a little bit more fluffy. Well, as you see, we got it right there. I got a little black pepper as well. I'm just gonna add a little pinch of that in there and stir it back up. And then I also come over here on my lobsters and I like seasoning them up to make sure they all get the seasoning. I'm making it rain on them here. Make it rain. You can flip it over. Make sure it get all the areas of it. And it's not gonna make it, oh, I'm about to sneeze. Woo! All right, so now as you see, I season it up a little bit, make sure it kind of get all over it. And then I'm gonna use this little bowl right here to be my actual seasoning batch. So I'm gonna just take it in there. I'm gonna put it in here. And when I egg wash it, I'm gonna put it back in this bowl right here. So as you see, it got the egg wash on it. Put it in there just like that. This is just more of a housing to hold it. And you see, like that. And you can kind of look at it to see it still got some of the seasoning on it. Kind of it holds the seasoning in place. See, lobster frying right now. They're good brown. So when they start floating to the top, that lets you know that all the inside is almost cooked and all the grease has circulated around the whole shrimp, around the whole lobster. And you see all these over here in this section, they starting to float. Got some over here floating now, floating to the top. You want to make them brown, but you don't want to make them too brown. As you see, that's a good color right there. That's a good color. But still, you want to make sure. Brown don't always mean they cook. It just means that they heat it up pretty fast.
Purchase your truck now.
Feel like a tripod over there. What you think, Dad? It look like they almost done? See, I'm gonna keep them in there for like 10 more seconds and we should be good. Should be good to go. Yeah, they done. And that one done. Trying to give y'all a little preview of what they look like. So now we got the fried lobster tails. Kind of let them drain in here a little bit. That way you ain't got as much grease. As you can see, that one's drained out. We're gonna bring them over here. We're gonna put them right here. As you can see, it's all cooked up. Same way over here. And you don't have to have a double basket either. Get all the grease out of there. Come right over here. Shake it out.
Welcome. Purchase your truck now.
There's the fried lobster tail. There's one on the top. See, potatoes done. About to go ahead and dress it up real fast. Put that lobster tail on it. Ooh, that's like a menu, you heard me? Get it.
Purchase your truck now and receive the untagged version instantly.
As you see, we got the final product. Got the loaded baked potato with the lobster tails. We finished it off with the top of the green onions, sour cream. We got cheese, and it's looking beautiful. Got a couple more on the side. We just got those as the skimmers on the side. You can add all your ingredients if you want to. This just to give a presentation idea to show this. If you want to make these just like that, you got it. But as you can see, that thing off the charts is off the scale. And the lobster tail just give it more of a like a meat substance for the food. It gives it, you know, something to eat that's in the inside that's not just all mushy. So until then, I want y'all to keep it Gucci, baby, because this is loaded baked potato.